Hey there, we're the Markhams, Kris, Andrea, and our adventure dog, Emmy. We're combat veterans who met in Afghanistan, sold our house after 7 amazing years, and now we're hitting the road to explore every corner of America. From stunning national parks to hidden caves, we're on a non-stop adventure, making memories and chasing sunsets. Set off on an unforgettable adventure across America with us and our dog, Emmy. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any moments. It has been a fun Tuesday. Completely joking. I came down to this note on our fridge this morning. Or sorry, not our fridge, our microwave. It's been a day and well, that's wrong. It's 10:18. So, I am cleaning out on top of the microwave so that way we can take it out because it stopped working. And I had to take all our Tupperware out. That way when Kris gets home with the new microwave, we can try and get it installed and hope that it works. On top of the fact that last night, my ring got knocked off of the ring holder on my nightstand and fell down into the depths of no man's land between the corner of our bed and the wall slide. So we had to get a drill at 12:30 in the morning, move the bed out, move this piece of wood that's there that it sits on top of, and that was where my ring was. So it's been a day and it just keeps going.
I'm gonna move you though.
I'm gonna need a chair. Short people problems. My husband who married someone half of his height.
Literally.
That to protect the stove.
Yep. You're expensive enough already, Beck.
I didn't break the microwave. Yep, it's the plate. You're in, you're out.
Andrea's worst nightmare has come through. We have to rip off the backsplash. Well, that level of it. Sorry.
Before we could even get started, we had to come up with our game plan because if you've ever installed a microwave before, you know it's one of the most annoying processes out there. Kris handled the heavy lifting, but when it came time to drill the holes in the upper cabinet to secure it, he needed my help. So here we are. Me holding things in place while he lined everything up just right. After a bit of measuring, remeasuring, and remeasuring, because it's a microwave and they don't make it easy. And a few choice words for the design engineers who thought this installation method was a good idea. We finally got it mounted, and here's the best part. Since then, we've traveled from Wisconsin to Indiana to Minnesota, and the microwave is still holding strong. That's a win in our book.
So yesterday on our way home from Indiana, Lippert training, all that good stuff, we had gotten a lead on RV Help for slide issues, which turned out to be slide and jack issues. So I was driving, I had Andrea do a bunch of the messaging. She did the messaging, I did the, thinking, brainstorming. And the customer with the lead did, he helped me, we talked him through diagnosis. And it didn't go that well because he couldn't get a good lead on to get voltage. But he had told me that it clicked, but the slides and the jacks would not retract. They'd extend but not retract. And I had just been through Titan leveling and slides, slim rack slides, stuff like that. So I was like, oh, I heard this. I actually, they put me through that exact scenario last week. So I was like, cool. I bet you it's the solenoid, because one side works on the extend side, and then on the retract side, nothing works. So I was like, okay, it's got to be the solenoid. I told them I'd come after work today. I did. So I did my tests, voltage and everything, and dang it, I was right. Just over the phone, I figured that out. I swapped the solenoid out, and bam, slides went in, jacks went up. We went through, cycled it a few times. It was awesome. And so now they get to leave on time, and voila, everything's good. We're good. I'm happy. He's happy. I get to go home and hang out with Emmy and the wife. It's only 3 o'clock. It's kind of spectacular. Happy Monday.
One of our favorite things about being on my parents' land is all the hummingbirds we get to see zipping around from sunrise to sunset. These tiny powerhouses are so mesmerizing, constantly darting between flowers and feeders, their wings beating up to 80 times per second. That's absolutely insane. It's like having our own little air show all day long right outside our windows. So we used to have a clear source filtration system, RV filtration system, and Glacier Fresh reached out to us about a year and a half ago and asked us to try theirs. I think both products are great products. We like the Glacier Fresh one better because it is smaller and it's easier to change the filters, and the filters technically are supposed to last longer than the clear source ones, but we like the compact size of it, and it's much easier to just lift out of the underbelly to change and do all the things with it. So that is why we still have the Glacier Fresh. But we'll actually probably be putting the clear source one down at our park model down in Texas. So we'll put it in line to the water system down there, so that way we can have filtered water. We are changing out our water filters impromptu because when did we do it? Like a month or two ago? Yeah. We just did them. Maybe around mid-June. Yeah. And it's about... it's August 2nd, yeah. So. But it's only been a month. These are supposed to last, what, 6 months?
Yeah.
But we got to my parents' house, and the spigot that we're using doesn't get used a whole lot, so we think it pushed a bunch of sediment through and clogged up our filters, which is okay, because that's an easy fix. Oh my goodness. Yep, well, at least they're doing their job.
Yeah, that's nasty.
Let's see the rest of them. That's gross.
This one is just like...
very small particles.
Yeah. These two did their job.
Yep. That would make sense.
Yeah.
Alright. Look at the bottom. This is of the middle filter.
Yeah. The longevity filter.
That's the longevity one. That's gross.
I didn't even think about the bottom. Well, that one's just hollow. That's nasty. It's supposed to look like that.
Wow. Alright. This makes sense. This makes sense now. And then that's the third filter. It's supposed to be white and it is black.
Oh, just on a bike ride with the fam. Taking Emmy to the lake. Babe,
Yeah?
what are you making me do?
A foot detox, even Emmy's sniffing it.
Emmy's like, what is wrong with your water, Dad?
Detoxing your body.
Yeah, detoxing. And this is the color coding thing. So we're gonna see what mine is because I'm a train wreck. So speak for yourself, Linda.
Oh, don't worry, I'm next. We'll have bets.
Yeah. She bet brown for mine and I bet orange. As you can see, I'm not doing well. That's quite brown. What color do you think?
I'm gonna go with brown again. What do you think?
I need the indicator thingy. I'm gonna say white. The foam.
I mean, yours is already turning brown at this point.
It was nasty. It was like poop.
Yes, it was.
Well, Linda, what's your thought?
It's interesting.
You're the same color as me.
We do eat the same stuff. Most of the time.
Most of the time. Poop water.
Detoxifying from liver and cellular debris.
Cellular debris.
Makes sense.
Nasty.
Thanks for joining us on another adventure. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button so you don't miss any of the fun. See you next time.